Hi everyone! I am Mariel, and sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, I am a licensed math teacher and I am doing math tutorials, uploading it to my channel, to my YouTube channel, to my TikTok account, to my Facebook page, basically to all of my social media accounts. So, if ever you want to learn mathematics and you want to have an advanced study, I have designated playlist for grade 6 or elementary, grade 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 on my YouTube channel. You can always visit me there. Binge watching kayo ng mga videos ko doon para naman magkaroon na din kayo ng advanced study. I have there some topics for for first grading to fourth quarter ng iba't ibang grade levels. Okay? Pero it's not that complete. But at least there's many topics there that you can watch and learn as well. Okay, and right now I'm going to discuss about divisibility rule for 3. Okay, so what is a divisibility rule? So divisibility rule is just like used to know if a number is divisible by 3 or by any other divisor, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But in this video is we're gonna focus on divisibility rule for 3. Okay, and the last time I already uploaded the divisibility rule for 2. So if ever you wanted to learn or to know if a number is divisible by 2, just always remember that the last digit of that number should be even numbers. Okay, like or ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so that you will know that that number is divisible by 2. But now, let's go with divisibility rule for 3. Okay, so ano ba yung kahalagahan ng divisibility rule? Okay, so this is very important. Like you can actually identify or know if a number is divisible by 3 even without doing a long division or even without dividing them. Okay, so just like for example, this divisibility rule for 3. So the rule is that if the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3 or multiples of 3, like kapag yung or the total is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on, then that number is divisible by 3, or you can actually divide that number by 3 without remainder, or saktong madidivide nyo talaga siya sa 3. So that is a divisibility rule. So from the word itself, divisibility, okay, we're identifying if a number is divisible by 3. So maraming divisibility rules from 2 to 11 to 12 and so on. Ayan, pero sabi ko nga kanina, we're going to focus on 3. So let's say for example, we have 1,368. Let's identify if this divisible by 3. So ganito lang yung gagawin natin. Ipag-plus-plus lang natin sila. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 equals 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 8 is 18. And their sum is 18. Is 18 a multiples of 3 or divisible by 3? Yes, right? Okay, that's why 1,368 is actually divisible by 3. As simple as that. Let's identify the second number. The second number is 1,256. Okay, like for example, this is your money and you're going to divide it to 3 of your siblings, including you. Okay, 3 of your siblings. What I mean to say is, tatlo kayong magkakapatid, tapos i-divide mo siya. Siyempre, ang una mo nga alamin kung eksakto ba yun sa inyong tatlo. 'Di ba? So, ganito yung gawin mo para malaman mo kung eksakto ba yun sa inyong tatlo. So, add 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6. So, we have 1 plus 2 is, and 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay? Is 14 a multiple of 3? Or is 14 divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is not divisible by 3 kasi wala naman siya sa multiplication table of 3. When you go back to multiplication of table of 3, that's gonna be the multiples, or all the product in there is the multiples of 3, like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 14 is not divisible by 3. So, therefore, etong 1,256 ay hindi kasya sa inyong tatlo. Okay, hindi eksakto. Alright? Ayan, sa inyong tatlong magkakapatid. So, it's not divisible by 3. Now, let's go on to 7,311. Let's add them. 7 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1 equals 12. And 12 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, 7,311 is divisible by 3. Okay? Next is 621. 6 plus 2 plus 1. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is, of course, a divisible by 3. So, that's divisible by 3. And then, 723, let's see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's 12 again. Therefore, this 723 is divisible by 3. Only the 1,256 is not divisible by 3. Even if you check it in a calculator, you can get a with remainder in here, or magkakaroon ka ng remainder. Okay, pero dito, when you divide these numbers by 3, ito, and this one, those are divisible by 3, or there's no remainder. Okay, ganun lang kasimple ang divisibility rules for 3. And if you want more tutorials from Teacher Mariel, you can just comment the topic that you want me to do a tutorial, and I will try it. Okay? So, medyo sobrang busy ko lang talaga, kaya hindi ko na pagtutuunan masyado ng pansin yung aking channel, pero I'm trying my best. Okay? Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Alright, and I hope that you've learned something from this video, and always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Goodbye, and God bless everyone. See you again on my next video. Bye!